Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials: a funded Fyers account and active intraday or delivery permissions. Once done, open app settings and enable quick trade so you avoid extra taps when markets move. Next, link your preferred exchange and trading segment. This determines available instruments. Finally, set default order type, quantity increments, and a stop loss or target template so orders populate instantly. This saves time and reduces manual errors when you take the next actions. You now execute a trade, locate or pin the symbol in your watch list so it's one tap away. Tap the quick trade icon to summon the compact order ticket. This bypasses the full book view for speed. Adjust quantity and choose market or limit order, then apply your pre-configured SL and target. Remember why consistency controls risk. Review price and exposure quickly, then confirm. Once executed, check order status badge to ensure it filled or is in the order book. You finish by monitoring and managing the trade through quick trade history. You can modify or cancel with a single tap. To automate exits, use OCO or one-click SL/target templates so paired orders behave predictably. If something goes wrong, for example an order rejects, make sure your trading permissions, segment selection, and available margin are sufficient and that the app is updated. A restart often clears stale session flags. Finally, set price alerts so you never miss re-entries or manual adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.